This is the harmful gas leakage monitoring and linkage control alarm system. This is the mounting plate. Instructions and mounting accessories. The monitor can equip 8 gas detectors and 2 sets linkage output devices. Open the alarm host. This is the front panel circuit board. There are communication modules. Open the cover plate. This is the AC voltage power input. NO1 and COM1 is for the connection of the first set of linkage output device. NO2 and COM2 is for connection of the second group of linkage output device. This is the input terminal for gas detectors. This is an external linkage exhaust fan. The panel can equip device with power less than 200 watt. For device over 200 watt, external relay is needed. This is the N25 AC voltage pulse solenoid valve. This is the N50 24 voltage pulse solenoid valve. Connect the AC voltage power cable to the power terminal through the wiring port. Connect the power cable and the signal cable of the explosion-proof gas detector. Connect the other end of the cable to the corresponding port on the host. Connect the exhaust fan. Connect one wire of the fan to the NO1 terminal. The other wire is connected to the neutral wire of the power supply. Connect the live wire to COM1 with a short wire. Connect 24 voltage power solenoid wire. Connect the black solenoid wire to the GND terminal. The red wire is connected to NO2 terminal. Connect the 24 voltage to COM2 with a short wire. Through the gas monitoring and control panel, you can set low and high alarm value. You can adjust the zero value of the detector. You can bypass any detector if there is error. You can program the linkage device for the detector. It can be connected to AC voltage or DC voltage linkage equipment. Combustible gas alarm system should be installed in petrochemical plants and warehouses. You can buy professional fire alarm systems at www.vertsecurity.com. Free technical support is available at www.vertsecurity.com.